Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of these designs. They were done using this script, which is above me, and this script is set up like a grid, where the different rows are made by these different letter stems, so like the deep divot at the top, the full circle that's floating inside the word circle, the shallow divot in the third, and then the bottom row is the crossing circle, a circle that crosses the line of the word circle, and then there's also these little guys. These little guys are the vowels. The vowels are the little guys inside those little stems over there. And then the columns are made by these different modifiers. So there are dot modifiers, where there's dots next to the letters, and then line modifiers are where lines end on the letters. So let's go ahead and get to reading these designs. So if we take a peek at our first one here, you see this is our word circle, and it's inside our sentence circle. And the bottom of our word circle is this shallow divot, like somebody took a munch out of a cookie. In fact, there's another shallow divot here, and some shallow divots over here. This shallow divot has one line, this swirly line that ends on it. So that puts it in the one-line column and the shallow divot row, so that would be a V. This is a vowel. See, vowels are little guys. There's 4 vowels in this one and 2 vowels in this one. And this vowel is outside of our word circle. So this word circle line would continue through like this, and that A is outside of it, because an A's position is outside. So VA, continuing around. Oh, reading order is bottom counterclockwise, consonants before vowels. So consonant here with the vowel, you read the consonant before the A, even though the A is lower than the V. So VA. Then we continue around. Here's a full circle inside our word circle with 3 dots, so that's an L. This E is centered right in the middle of the L. And then we have this 1, 2, 3 dot R, and then an I, line going inwards, and then an E at the end of it. So VALERIE, Valerie. And that is the same design that's in the center here, VALERIE, just with some cool coloring effects. And then this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on our C, floating inside our word circle, the A outside the word circle. Then this is a double letter because it's a double line. And this has 1, 2, 3 little lines sticking off of it, so that's a double S. Then the I has a line going inwards. This D has some dots, and this Y has some dots. And to figure out which dots go where, there are 1, 2, 3 dots that are close to this one, and 1, 2 dots that are close to this one. So that's where you look at these 5 dots, because this one closer here, this one closer here, so these 3 are with that one, these are with that one, and then these 4 are with that one. So CASSI, D with 3 dots, Y with 2 dots. And again, that is the same design that is here. So CASSIDY, and then VALERIE. And those are those designs. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.